my name's Becky and I am so excited to be doing this webinar with Andrew and Nika on bone breathing. I've been on a really wonderful journey with the bone breathing practice over the last 6 months. It's been an incredible tool to help me pierce through a lot of noise and interference that's come in over the last couple of years and help me to really come to a place of acceptance with my sensitivity. I'm a highly sensitive person, and this was something I was trying to get rid of. I was ashamed of. I thought that something was wrong with me, and I've come to a realization that it's just the way my brain works. And I know that there are so many women out there who are experiencing the same with their sensitivity, not quite sure like what's aggravating it, what makes it worse, like just the different things that can be so overwhelming in our outside world. And bone breathing's really helped me to ground, come back to myself, come home to myself, and really connect with the body and hear that powerful insight, intuition that comes very naturally when we just kind of soften, relax, surrender, and intently listen to what the body has to say. And it can be uncomfortable, it can be difficult, it can be challenging, it can be aggravating, irritating, gone through all the things. That's the beauty of bone breathing, is it's a practice that really helps you to just like accept and be with what's there. You get to just be a human being and that's what I love about it. When I started this practice, I did not stop sleeping. I was like so tired, and it really allowed me to be tired, like just surrender and accept that I was tired. And then once I managed to get quite a bit of rest, I started to feel excited and turned on and alive and more creative and imaginative. And yeah, it's just really helped me to observe patterns and cycles of my female body, and also helped me to really tap into deep grief around the ways that women have struggled and suffered through, you know, how society does not support our feminine sensitivity, and the ways that we have, you know, pushed for, strived to survive, basically. And that's been a real process for myself to be with, and I've now come to a point where I'm feeling so much more deeply rested, grounded, anchored, neutral, and now I feel a deep desire to show up and share my story and help share this work with others, so that we can all connect with each other and come into a deeper place of acceptance of who we really are at our core. And through that acceptance, then bring through our wisdom, bring through our magic, our true essence, our gifts, our genius, and share that with the world, because the world really needs it right now. And we need more community, more connection. And Andrew has created an incredible community for women with this practice, and more people need to know about it, and I can't wait to see you all there at this webinar.